Amy. I'm back with another floor plan to show you. This is a C floor plan, which is a corner unit just off the elevator. So we're here at the Brenton, and welcome home. As you can see, you're walking into a great space with a galley kitchen, and this floor plan has a wonderful backsplash. I just love that backsplash. And then there's a dishwasher, and of course your electric range and microwave, and your refrigerator, which also has an ice maker. It's very convenient. Then one of the best features of every unit in this building are the great windows. So as you can see on this corner unit, you have lots and lots of windows. And as you can see, there's a half wall, and that is, on the other side of that is your bedroom. And we're gonna go and take a look at that. So as we walk back through, just to our left is a very spacious bedroom with, of course, then more wonderful windows. And you have a great closet space, your internet panel with your own modem and router right inside your apartment. More great windows with good blinds for privacy as we enter your bathroom, which is very spacious, tub and shower combo with your own washer and dryer right in your unit. So you can't beat that. Very convenient. So I think we have a unit for you. We have actually 17 different floor plans. So if you haven't seen one that you like yet, stay tuned. I'm sure we'll have the perfect one. Welcome home.